Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. Not doing a full cooking video today, just showing you what's in here. There's some ground beef, obviously some corn, some diced tomatoes roasted with green chilies, some mashed potato, instant of course, because it's easier. And then there's some, I know this might sound weird, sriracha and jalapeno ketchup. By the way, this does taste good. And some taco blend cheese in here with smoked paprika, some turmeric, and balsamic glaze. This, y'all, hold on. Get a little taste of that on a fork. Look at that cheese hanging. That right there, y'all. That right there. This is good. Okay, now that we're out here in the living room, what do you guys think?
Yeah, good.
I like it. Like it, Rob?
I like it.
Okay, anyway, so it's approved. The dog was making barky noises because she smelled it. She wanted to get in everybody's plate. That didn't happen, did it, ma'am? Anyway, be good over there. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm going to eat. Bye.